जस्तो जिजुले पासपोर्ट भिजा जाँदैछु बेहालका आज हामी आएको चाहिँ सिडनीबाट ल्यान्ड भएर आज पर्थमा आएको पर्थ रोयल सो भइरहेछ छुट्टा भइरहेछ सोचेँ टिकट काटेको छ क्या टिकट देखाएर जानुपर्छ टिकट दिएर जानुपर्छ अरे नि यस्तो लाइन बस्नुपर्छ रहेछ मान्छे कति धेरै पुरा यो रोटी पिङ स्क्यान गऱ्यो भित्र छिरेको कहाँबाट सुरु गर्ने कहाँबाट सुरु गर्ने कहाँबाट सुरु गर्ने भने कि पाहाडमा खेल्ने पछि एकछिन होइन तपाईँको पनि दिन न म यस्तो क्राउडेड है सिडनीबाट पनि यस्तो आएको थियो है हामी मान्छे क्या सिडनी आएको जस्तो लागेको छैन कहाँ है ल आलु खान जानिर अब हामी आलु खान जानिर जाउँ टावर कहाँ छ के हो आलु चिप्स ट्विस्ट चिप्स खानु हाम्रो यो लिएँ मैले अनाएर पनि भयो बच्चाहरूको प्लेग्राउन्ड भएर छ है रमाइलो भएर छ फायरवर्क छ भन्थ्यो पानी परिसक्यो के गर्ने हो छिनमा पानी पर्छ छिनमा पानी रोक्छ अँध्यारो भएर आइसक्यो फेस्टिङ बन्ड रे भित्र गएर हेरौँ के छ अब खानेकुरा पनि छ त्यसमा फायरवर्क हुन्छ अब यहीँ बसेर सिट रिजर्भ गर्नु पऱ्यो मान्छेहरू फायरवर्क अहिलेदेखि मान्छे बसिरहेको
Very good, Matilda's fish there. What way? Keep it going, yeah, all right, you got the fin. Oh, show us your fish. Thomas, that's Thomas, show us your fish impression. Mum, you're doing well. Come on, you can do better than that. You still got it,
गन सो ढुल्ला छ फायरवर्क ढुल्ला छ अब सब रेडी गर्दैछ अब
Contributions to community. So, as we look to the skies, let's journey through WA agriculture with farmer Ellie and her loyal dog Lucy. They will travel the yellow brick road all the way to the Perth Royal Show.
उडिसक्यो ओ ड्रोन सो इंग्रेन जस्तै निकाल्यो भने
Rainbow.
भन्नु त नजिक
ऊ अस्ट्रेलियाको म्याप
नजिक भयो
अस्ट्रेलियाको म्याप यो चाहिँ यहाँको
पान कुकुर बनाए राजे बच्चा तपाईँले गर्दैछ
Sometimes when this place gets kind of empty, sound of the breath fades.
गमला फ्लावर के पानी पानी राख्ने पानी राखेको
I think about loveless fascination under the Milky Way tonight.
फ्लावर बन्दैछ यता फुल बन्दैछ
Wish I knew what you were looking for. Might have known what you would find. The way a sunlight's ever so tired of sleeping alone, so tired of eating alone. I need to ask her, what's going on? Are we going strong? She felt like resting her head. My shoulder was the perfect height. We fit so right. So what's going on? 'Cause I've been undone. Long drive, the coastline, looking at the first light. Am I still on her mind? I've been undone.
गाई जस्तै
कस्तो मजा आयो भिडियोमा त जान्छ
Disagree and travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused.
ओए खस्यो आइसिङ खस्यो क्या हो आइसिङ खस्यो
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Thank God she's a country girl. Well, my baby got the waist kinda laid back. Little cowboy killer in the boots and a hat. I'm a little wild, but she's cool with that. Thank God she's a country girl.
हान्दाखेरि त्यो हुन्छ नि हात निकाल्छ क्या त्यसले
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a feeling that I never known if I had it. Oh, no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. more for you. Gotta put it in, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That flow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles running from the bitches, wow. Straight
Fuck
day,
you.
day, day. See me running through the crowd, feeling late. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates. Take a genius to understand me. Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Here tonight.
My family, my niece and nephews. Yes.
And if anything goes wrong tonight with the start of it, is it your fault?
Yes.
All right, we'll come back to you in just a sec. Take your hand off. Fireworks now. Are we okay to do this? Yeah. All right. We're going to count Roz and Freo down together. No, we're not yet. It's not Roz. Relax. We're not going yet. All right, we're on standby. Very soon, we're going to see the best fireworks show we've seen in a long time. All right, so the smoke's moving a little bit. Feel free to move if you like. Who's keen on fireworks tonight? Let's do one more check-in with the crowd. We'll do kids first. 1, 2, 3, kids. I apologise for doing that. Parents, 1, 2, 3, parents. We're on standby. As soon as we get the go, Roz, you're going to press it. Thank you for keeping your hands well away from it. Hold tight. Okay, right, unique technique. Here we go. We're going to count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's done, and here we go.
Failure.
Thôi đó,
Okay. Testing flash pots. Testing silver jets. Testing glitter mines.
Rami.
Okay. Time. Testing chrysanthemum shells. System reset complete. All systems 100%. Restarting countdown now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get on that horse.
West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old, yeah, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country road.